Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Stella Fashion. How are you friends? I hope you are so well. The video I have bought for you today that is about beautiful girls DPs collection from Muharram. You can choose the Muharram DPs ideas from this video. Get the ideas for your WhatsApp DPs, your profile pictures and set on your Facebook IDs cover photos. You can take the screenshot and save in your gallery and easily set on your as a DPs as a cover photos. If you like these ideas friends, then you appreciate me on my efforts by subscribing my channel, by liking my video and sharing my video with friends and your family members. If you want the videos and ideas about your choice, tell me in comment section. I will make a similar video and present it in front of you. You can easily watch videos and get ideas about your choice. Now friends, I am going to meet in next video with different idea and different video. Remember me in your prayers. Thanks for watching. Until then, take care. Goodbye.
Thank you.